What's up, YouTube? Houston here, and for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's been following me and supporting me, salute. And for my favorite patrons, as always, double salute. Now, I got an exciting video for you today because today we're talking about OppFi MasterCard for bad credit. So I know some of you guys, well, that's nothing exciting, but I have a story for you about how a client of mine with a 570 credit score um, got almost $10,000. So I'll share with you exactly what he did and what you can actually do it as well if you have bad credit. But first, let's talk about this OppFi MasterCard. Now, the cool part about it is most of the time people start out with $1,000. It's an unsecured card. All right. Now, what makes this card different from your Premiers or your Total Visa and stuff like that is because they don't charge all of those extra activation fees. All they charge is an annual fee of $99. Plus, you get it access, as soon as you get approved, you get access to it that same day. All right, so that's the cool part about it. But that isn't the only thing. Now, there's no hard pull on your credit for this OppFi MasterCard. That's a big plus because I know a lot of people with bad credit and stuff that you don't need all those extra inquiries. So this card does not do that to you, okay? Now, like I said, you get the card the same day. However, if you get this card and you keep up with your payments and after 6 months, it doubles to $2,000. Well, some of you guys, well, that's not a whole lot of money. That's okay. I want you all to pay attention to what I'm saying. They're giving you this card, so we can finna go in strategy now. They give you this card for $1,000, okay? It's an annual fee of $99. So what you can do is take $200. You can either do it as a cash advance or buy some gift cards worth $200. But it's a strategy I'm finna show you that's going to help you, all right? Now, here's another credit card. It's called the TDE Credit Union. Okay, it's for people that's trying to rebuild their credit. It's unsecured. They start at 500. All right, so you have to be a member of the credit union. Okay, but they don't charge any annual fees for it. It's designed for people with bad credit and stuff like that. But at the same time, I'm going to show you how to build up your credit score quickly so that you can actually get more than just that 500 as well. So I got a story for you plus this here. Now, like I was telling you, that $1,000 that OppFi gave you on the MasterCard, say that you was to take a $200 advance on it, all right? You can take that $200 advance, and if you become a member of Navy Federal, put that $200 on this N Rewards secured card. That N Rewards $200 turns into $2,000 after 6 months, right? Wait, there's more, because now let me tell you what happened. So I have a client, 570 credit score, and he says, well, I'm a member of Navy Federal. He says I have my personal account, I have my savings account, and he had a like a CD account with them, right? And he said, well, I'm going to get the secure card, or should I try to do the hack, right? I got a video about explaining about the Navy Federal hack where people with 530, 580 credit scores getting $25,000 cards, right? So he said, well, I decided that I was going to try your strategy first, which was the Navy Federal Night Hack. So if you want to see that video, put a comment below and I'll send that video to you. But here's the interesting thing about it. He said, I fell asleep after midnight, woke up about 2 o'clock in the morning, I put in the application, okay, for the pre-approval. He said then the next day they gave me a call to verify that I was the one that put in the application. Once I verified, then an hour later, they sent me a response. Now, again, they pulled this TransUnion FICO 9, 570 credit score. Okay? So when they did that, and he was a brand new member, they with a 570 credit score, they gave him, I think he said $6,200. Okay? With a 570 credit score. He was shocked. He said, man, I didn't believe that it would actually happen for me, but it did. And that's what I'm telling you guys. The Navy Federal night hack still works. Now, again, like I'm going to tell you, like I told him, you have to have that internal scoring. So, like I said, he had the personal account, a savings account, and a CD account. Okay? Now, that being said, once you have, even if you do the secured card, right? After 90 days, you can still do the Navy Federal hack, except he just bypassed this here secured card for the 200, and he just did the Navy Federal hack, and they gave him the 6,200. Okay, so you have those options. Now, here's another thing. If you have bad credit and you're trying to get more funding, well, here's some things that you can do to boost up your credit score right away. You can sign up with Grow Credit, because if you have like subscriptions, car insurance, utilities, Hulu, Netflix, Spotify, they will report your subscriptions on your credit file. Then, of course, you have Experian Boost as well. Now, also, if you're paying rent. So if you're paying rent, and I continue to tell people this, if you're giving somebody cash money or money order, stop that. What you want to do, you want to go to a company like Plastic, PLASTIQ.com, and set up an account with them. Then put your secured card or your credit card on. So whatever amount you pay in rent to your friends or family or who you stand with, you want that rent payment to be tracked. The reason is because it's going to help you get qualified for a mortgage. All right? And so it also helps you build up your credit score, because these three companies here, they actually report the past 2 years. All right? Now, adding authorized users will definitely help you boost up your credit score as well. Now, moving forward, these are two companies that you can consider in terms of, if you don't want nobody to worry about your credit score, but if you've been on your job a long time, you've been at your resident a long time, then these companies will look. Cash USA, 500 to 10,000. Okay, so they're not worried about the credit. Then you also have credit loans. Credit loans, they go from 250 up to 40,000. Okay, they're not looking at the credit. They're looking at if you have a bank account, how long you've been on the job, how long you've been at the address. Those are the things that they're looking at. If you have bad credit, the maximum they'll give you is 5,000. However, by adding those other trade lines onto the credit file to boost up the credit score should help you get larger limits. So if you have questions about your personal credit, if you want me to take a look at your personal credit, click the link, get your real credit file, and then schedule a consultation, and I'll take a look and go over line by line and help you get your credit straightened out. So this is Houston with 3-Way Funding. I appreciate your time. Thank you.